Hey G-Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool ornament here, and basically what this is a mini artificial Christmas tree. So you see for the packaging, the product definitely looks pretty nice. And then for this side right here, you see they do show you guys everything that's included in the package when you guys do get it. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys do open it up, this is what the inside looks like. Let's take everything out. So here we do have the ribbon for us to use. So right here is a Christmas tree for you guys to decorate. Right here, the paper they can use to put on the bottom. Right here, we do have the decoration for you to put on in terms of little gift boxes, the Merry Christmas sign, and the option for you guys to light up on top for the Christmas tree light. Next right here, they provide you guys a bunch of these balls and hang on the Christmas tree. Next right here, they provide you guys some LED lights that can hang onto the product to make it light up. Next right here, they provide you guys some more ribbons that can tie on to the actual Christmas tree. Right here, they provide you guys some more LED lights. And last but not least, they provide us a foundation for the product. So I'm assuming for this hole right here is where you guys want to stick the Christmas tree on. And then this part right here is where you're going to wrap it up with this piece of paper right here. And that is basically everything that's included in the package. So basically for this product, it is a DIY project. So you guys need to decorate it yourself. And you guys need to open it up yourself as well. So what I mean by opening it up, you basically want to go like this for each one of the arms. So that it can stick out and look pretty nice when you guys do set it up. Top part right here is where you're going to hang the star. I'm assuming eventually once you guys do open all the parts on here, there's a part in the bottom for you to stick onto this part right here. But that is basically everything that's included in the package. Let me actually go decorate it and show you guys what the final product looks like. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Welcome back guys. So now it's a quick test about it, and definitely actually does work and should work quite well. And you see how once you guys do decorate it, it definitely looks pretty nice, especially because of that white color design that's on here. If you guys see my previous video, I should read another one, and that was a green tree. This one right here is a white color that looks pretty nice to give you guys that snowy design when you guys do look at it. But really cool how they do provide you guys everything that's needed to decorate it. And if you guys want to use own stuff to decorate as well, you do have the option available. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys won't need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality artificial Christmas tree that's super small and compact that you can put maybe on your desk or something, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.